Hello guys, welcome back. Today topic is complex number, that how you can find which number is real number and imaginary number. In this video, I will properly guide you that how you can solve this type of questions. Before we go, I request you, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe it and click on bell icon so you will see my latest and informative videos on my channel. So here we have the definition of complex number and how you can find which number is a complex number. So according to this definition, we can say that a number in the form of a plus b iota, and where a and b are the real numbers, when we put iota with any number, so it become imaginary number. So here we can see that a is real number and we put iota with b, so it become imaginary number. How you can find the iota value? So we know that iota is equal to under root minus 1, or iota square is equal to minus 1. So we can calculate the iota value in any form. Like if we have iota 3, then we know that iota square into 1 and iota square value is minus 1, that we have already find that, or we know that, and we put these values and we can multiply this with that value and we can solve like that. So let's move to an example. So we have like minus 1 plus 2 iota, and we want to find the real and imaginary part of this type of question, to find that real and imaginary part. So how we can find that? We know that the formula that we have discussed, that z is equal to a plus b iota, and in the form of, we can write that it is a and it is b iota. So a is equal to minus 1, this is real part or real number, and 2 is imaginary part, because we can see that iota is mentioned with that 2. So whenever you can see the iota is mentioned with any real number, so it becomes a imaginary part. So we find that this one is real number and this one is imaginary number. Let me give you another example. So we can write that we have minus 2 iota, and we want to find the solution of this type of questions, to find that what is real and imaginary number. So we know that z is equal to a plus b iota, and we have this is a and this is iota, this is imaginary part. Minus 2 plus into minus 2 iota, so minus 2 is our real number and this minus 2 is our imaginary number. That's it. According to the imaginary formula, we can solve like that. How we can denote the set of imaginary number? So we can conclude like that C is equal to real number is equal to a plus b iota. The set of all complex number, we have all complex number is denoted by C, and C is equal to Z is a real number, or Z is equal to A plus B iota, where we know that A and B are real number. When we put iota with any real number, so it become complex number. So I is equal to -1, or I square is equal to -1. So this is our set of imaginary number. Let me summarize it again for you. How we can know that which one is a complex number, or which one is a real number or imaginary number. So we know that Z is equal to A plus B iota, because complex number is a combination of real number and imaginary number. And we know that A and B are both are real numbers, and when we put iota with that real number, so it become imaginary number. So let's move to an example that we discussed before. We have two real numbers. When we see that this iota is attached or combined with the real number, so it become imaginary number. So we find that A is equal to -1, this is a real number, and B is equal to 2, so this is imaginary number. So that's it from my side. I hope you like and enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.